Write down one more question. Find the unit digits. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digit for the following. First question. 78 power 42 factorial. 78 power 42 factorial. This is nothing but 42 factorial is 42 into 41 into 40 and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. This 40 is divisible by 4. So entire this number is divisible by 4. The unit digit of this number is 8 power 4k. This is nothing but 8 power 4. 8 power 4 is 8 square into 8 square. 4 4s are 16. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for the first question is 0. 6 varieties of questions in our class. 78 power 42 factorial. 42 factorial. Please write down a note. Note is any a factorial. Please write down the a factorial unit digit. A factorial unit digit. I hope it is clear, right? A factorial from 4 factorial onwards. From 4 factorial onwards, a is divisible by 4k. Please write down. A is divisible by 4k from 4 factorial onwards. 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial. Praveen, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. If any natural number is greater than or equivalent to 4, if any natural number is greater than or equivalent to 4, a factorial is always divisible by 4k. If a is 4, 5, 6 and so on, a factorial, a is starting from 4. A is starting from 4. A factorial is always divisible by 4k. A is always divisible by 4k. 4 more examples. Please write down. A is always divisible by 4k. 32 power 32 factorial. 17 power 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. D. 58 power 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. E. 6 factorial power 6 factorial. F. 927 power 60 factorial. 927 power 60 factorial. Find the unit digits for the following. Find the unit digits for the following. 32 power 32 factorial, right? 32 power 32 factorial. 17 power 1 factorial till 4 factorial. 58, 6 factorial and 927, right? Now, Cherry, you are according to a power 4k property, answer is 4. Answer is a power 4. It is not 4. Answer is a power 4. A power 4k plus 1, which is a power. Praveen, camera off ayindi. A power 3. A power 4k plus 3. It is a power 3. A power 4k is a power 4. It is a power 4, not 4. Cherry, you are getting confused today a lot. A power 4k is a power 4. Now let us solve the questions based on this one. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 2s are 10. Unit digit 0. 0 power any number is 0. 0 power any number is 0. Question number E. Answer is 0. Please don't give the answers. I never ask anybody to give the answers. Unit digit is 7. 60 factorial is divisible by 4. 7 power 4k, which is 7 power 4, which is 7 square into 7 square. 9 9s are 81. Answer is 1. 32 power 32 factorial. 32 factorial divisible by 4. So which is 2 power 4k. 2 power 4, which is 16 6. This is divisible by 4. From 4 factorial onwards, all are divisible by 4. So this is 7 power 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 7 power 9. 9 is 4 into 2 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. These are nothing but 8 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 factorial 6. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 power 1 is 8. What we did till now is an elementary question. From the next slide onwards, I am solving little difficult questions. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? Now, please, we will write down one more good question, then we will get into a next slide. Please write down. Write 4 factorial onwards, it is divisible by 4. 32 factorial contains 4. A power 4k. 2 power 4 is 16. From 4 factorial onwards, divisible by 4. 1 plus 2 plus 6, which is 7. From 4 factorial, it is divisible. Right? 8 power 1. 6 factorial, unit digit is 0. 7 power any number. Right? If the power is multiple of 4. 7 power 4k, 7 power 4. Answer is 1. G. Write down question number G. Slightly tricky question. Find the unit digit. Find the unit digit in the decimal representation of. Find the unit digit in the decimal representation of. In the decimal representation of 1 by 5 power 903. Another good question, sir. 1 by 5 power 903. Solution. Please write down. Find the unit digit in the decimal representation of 1 by 5 power 903. 1 by 5 is 0.2. 1 by 5 square is 0.04. 1 by 5 cube is 0.008. So 1 by 5 power 1, unit digit is 2 power 1. 1 by 5 square, unit digit in the decimal is 2 square. 1 by 5 cube, unit digit in the decimal is 2 cube. So 1 by 5 power n, unit digit in decimal representation, unit digit in decimal representation will be unit digit of 2 power n. Please write down. Unit digit of 2 power n. 1 by 5 power n, unit digit is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power n. Unit digit of 1 by 5 power n, it is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power n. So these is nothing but 2 power 903. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. I hope it is clear. 1 by 5 is 0.2. 1 by 5 square is 0.04. 1 by 5 cube is 1 by 25.008. So this is nothing but 2 power 1. This is 2 square. This is 2 cube. 1 by 5 power n, unit digit is nothing but the unit digit in the decimal representation of 1 by 5 power 1 is unit digit of 2 power n. Unit digit of 2 power n. I hope the concept is clear. D. From 4 Pallavi for you. From 4 factorial onwards, all the numbers are divisible by 4. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial it is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1 plus 2 plus 6, which is 9. 9 plus 4k, a power 4k plus 1. a power 4k plus 1. a power 4k plus 1 is a. a power 4k plus 1 is a. I hope these problems are clear. Level 2. Please write down level 2. Level 2. Till now what we did is level 1 problems. Let us do level 2. Level 2. Listen carefully. A is a number. First power is, Pallavi, you asked a doubt here, that also I will discuss. First power is a power 4k plus 1. Power n. I am doing power to the power. I am doing power to the power. What is the concept I discussed? Generic cyclicity. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of a number. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of a number, of any number, it is 4. Why did we did this? Why did we do this? Now you will understand it. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. So if this is a, if the first number is, first power is a power 4k plus 1, power a. Now see here. Try to divide the first power by 4. 4k is divisible by 4. What is remaining? 1. 1 power any number. 1 power any number when you divide by 4. 4 zeros are 0. What is the remainder you get? 4p plus 1. a power 4p plus 1 is a. Please write down this. a power 4k plus 1. a power 4k plus 1. a power 4k plus 1 power n. How did we got these 4p plus 1? I am dividing this. I am dividing these 4k plus 1 by 4. 4k is divisible by 4. 1 power any number when you divide by 4. 1 divided by 4, it is 1. Any number when divided by 4, remainder 1 is 4p plus 1. a power 4p plus 1 is a. Examples. 23 power 53 power 78. 23 power 53 power 78. First take the first power, which is nothing but 3. Let us take another number 55 we will take. 55 we will take so that this example will be clear. Otherwise it will become a power 4k plus 3. 55. 23 power 55 power 78. 55 is 3 into 18 plus 1. a power 4k plus 1 power any natural number. Unit digit is 3. Unit digit is 3. I hope it is clear. 17 power 29 power 192. 17 power 29 power 192. First power it is 4 into 7 plus 1. 4k plus 1 power any number. 4k plus 1 power any number. Unit digit is 7. Unit digit is 7. I hope it is clear. Next one, another example. 77 power 77 power 77. Only take the unit first power. 77 is 4 into 19 plus 1. 4k plus 1 power any number. What is the unit digit? 7. What is the unit digit? 7. 18 power 69 power 126. 18 power 69 power 126. 69 is 4 into 17 plus 1. 4k plus 1 power any number. Unit digit is 8. Unit digit is 8. Please make a note of it. If the first power is 4k plus 1, 4k plus 1 power any natural number, n is any natural number here. N is any natural number here. If it is 4k plus 1 power any natural number, the unit digit in the right hand side is A. Unit digit in the right hand side is A. Only unit digit we require. So 3 power 65, sorry, it is 65. 4 16s are 64. 4k plus 1 power any number, answer is unit digit. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1, 4k plus 1 power any number, unit digit is 7. 4 9s are 76 plus 1, 4k plus 1 power any natural number, 7. 4 17s are 68 plus 1, 4k plus 1 power any natural number, it is 8. It is 8. I will do right case by case, then I will do a lot of problems. I hope it is clear. Next one. I hope this concept is clear. I hope the concept is clear. Arun, I took it as 65. I took it as 65. I took it as 65 to explain the point. Even if you take 55, the answer, right, I took it as 65 beta, 4 into 16 plus 1, 4k plus 3. Again, I will take the question. Right, next one. Case 2. Case 2. A power 4k plus 2. Now see here. Case 2. A power 4k plus 2. 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3, and power is a multiple of 4. A power 4k plus 2 power n. A power 4k plus 2 power n. Now divide these number by 4. 4k is divisible by 4. If n is greater than or equivalent to 2, what is 2 square? 4. 4 is divisible by 4. N is 3. 2 cube, 8 is divisible by 4. N is 4. 16, it is divisible by 4. So, if n is greater than or equivalent to 2, entire number is divisible by 4. So, a power 4p, answer is nothing but a power 4. I hope it is clear. 4k plus 2 power n. 4k is divisible by 4. 2 power n. 2 power n, if n is all greater than or equivalent to 2, it is always divisible by 4. If n is greater than or equivalent to 2, it is always divisible by 4. So, a power 4p unit digit is a power 4. I hope now you understood, Pallavi, why I took the generic cyclicity as 4. Only with 4, I will do everything. Examples. 192 power 30 power 187. What is the unit digit of this number? 192 power 30 power 187. This is 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any number, a power 4. 2 power 4. What is the unit digit of this number? Unit digit of this number is 6. 377 power 154 power 202. 377 power 154 power 202. Only take the first power. This is 54 is 4 into 13 plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any natural number, which is 7 power 4. 7 square into 7 square, 49. 9 9s are 81. Answer is 1. I hope the idea is clear. One more question. 238 power 238 power 238 power 238. Powers could be anything. What is the first thing? 38. 38 is 4 into 9 plus 2. 4k plus 2 power any number. It is a power 4. A power 4 is 8 square into 8 square. 8 square is 64. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. I hope the idea is clear. A power 4k plus 2 power n, it is nothing but a power 4. It is nothing but a power 4. Write down case 3. Once you understand, these are all very easy questions, sir. Case 3. Case 3. Case 3. So this is, suppose if I take case 3. Case 3. A power 4k plus 3 power n. A power 4k plus 1 over 4k plus 2 over. These are two cases here. If n is an even number or n is an odd number, n is an even number or n is an odd number. If n is an even number, think logically, 4k plus 3 power n. This is divisible by 4. If n is an even number, 3 square, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 3 power 8, all these things. When you divide by 4, what is the remainder you are getting? 3 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 3 divided by 4, minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 3 divided by 4, minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. These also plus 1. So this 3 power n will give a remainder 1 when divided by 4. A power 4 plus 1, which is a. Please write down. If a power 4k plus 3 power n, if n is an even number, if n is an even number, answer is nothing but a. Answer is nothing but a. N is an even number. N is an even number. So 3 power even number. When you divide by 4, I will get a remainder 1. If it is 4k plus 3 power n, n is an odd number. N is an odd number. If I take odd number, remainder 1, 3 power n divided by 4. This will become 4 ones are 4, minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Positive remainder is 3. So this is nothing but a power 4p plus 3, which is nothing but a cube. Only in the case of a power 4k plus 3 power n, if n is even, unit digit will be a. If n is odd number, unit digit will be a cube. Unit digit will be a cube. 4 power a power 4k plus 3 power n. If n is an even number, unit digit will be a. If n is an odd number, unit digit will be a cube. I hope the idea is clear. N is an even number, unit digit a. N is an odd number, unit digit a cube. Examples. Examples. Please write down examples. Examples. First example, 52 power 55 power 97. Second example, 86 power 91 power 92. Third example, 137 power 139 power 139 power 139. Fourth example, 18 power 23 power 23, and so on up to infinite. 52 power 55 power 97, 86 power 91 power 92, 137 power 139 power 139, and so on. 18 power 23 23, and so on up to infinite. All are easy questions if you know the concept. This is nothing but 4 into 13 plus 3, 4k plus 3, power an odd number. Power an odd number. Odd number means I will get a cube. 2 cube 8 is the answer. 2 cube 8 is the answer. 4 into 22 plus 3, 4k plus 3. This is an even number. 92 is an even number. So this is nothing but unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6. 4k plus 3 power an even number, already we discussed. 139, 4 into 9 plus 3, 139 is odd, odd power any number odd, odd means I will get a cube, 7 cube is 343, answer is 3, answer is 3. 4k plus 3, this is an odd number, odd, 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 odd will be a cube, 8 cube, which is nothing but 512, which is nothing but 512. Very easy if you understand the idea. Very easy if you understand the idea. Please let me know if everything is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. Any doubts, kindly mention in the live chat. I would like to take up the doubts right now. I would like to take up the doubts. Any doubts, please ask me. Any doubts? Everybody clear? Not a single doubt you will get, right? You can develop your own questions. So entire idea I will write it here. Any number when you divide a number by 4, it can be 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3, or it is perfectly divisible by 4. So power n, which is nothing but a, power n, which is nothing but a power 4, power n, two cases. If n is an even number, it is a. If n is an odd number, right, it is a cube, a power 4k. Anyway, it is a power 4. Please make a note of this. Take a screenshot of this one, sir. Take a screenshot of this. 4k plus 1 power n, 4k plus 2 power n, 4k plus 3 power n, 4k, a power 4k, which is a power 4. I hope the concepts are clear. Any doubt? Sir, doubt regarding previous model. Please mention the doubt. Please mention the doubt. Please do not miss any of the classes. Today we are going to have a marathon session, 7 a.m. The next session is at 11 o'clock. Next session is at all the students who are new. We are going to have 5 classes today. One is 7, another is 11, another is 2:30, another is 6:30, another is 9:30. Total there are 5 sessions today, each session of 90 minutes time. If 90 minutes time, now that value of x and everything, good question you have asked. Suppose you are referring like this, x power 7 minus x power 3, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values you have to find it out? This kind of questions in the algebra, polynomial equations, I am going to explain in algebra how to find the values of x. Under polynomial equations, we are going to find out the right value of x. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Right? You might get a value of x, you might not get a value of x. Algebra, polynomial expressions. Now we will solve some problems. Now we will solve some problems. Please write down. All these problems are easy problems if you understand it. If you understand it, all these problems are easy. 10 minutes we will finish the exercise. Find the unit digit for the following. 345. We will write down the concept here. A power 4k plus 1, it is a. A power 4k plus 2, it is a square. A power 4k plus 3, it is a power 3. A power 4k, which is nothing but a power 4. Which is nothing but a power 4. First one, 5 power any number 5. 2 power 87, which is nothing but 2 power 4 into 21 plus 3. 4 power, please write down another number. 4 power odd number, unit digit is 4. 4 power odd number. 4 power odd number, unit digit is 4. 4 power even number, unit digit is 6. 4 power even number, unit digit is 6. So 4 power odd number, it is 4. So 5 plus 8 plus 4, it is nothing but 7. First one, it is 7. Second one, directly we will write 4 power a power 4k plus 1 4. A power 4k, it is 8. 9 power odd number, it is 9. 4 8s are 32, 2 9s are 18. Second one, 8. Third one, 3 power 222. A power 4k plus 2, 22, which is 9. I hope you are all there with me. We have done enough examples of this approach. 3 power 22, 3 square. 3 square is 9. 2 power a power 4k plus 1, 33 1. 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9. Right? I hope it is clear. First, second and third. What is the concept? A power 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2 and 4k plus 3. Right? A power 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3. This we already solved. This is 49 power 69 power 45 unit digit. It is 4 into 17 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. A power 4k plus 1 power n. Unit digit is a. Unit digit is a. 4k plus 1. So unit digit for this question is 9. A power 4k plus 1 power n. I hope it is clear. All these questions you can solve it. Tell me this answer for this question, sir. 99 power 129 power 17. 99 power 129 power 17. 129 is 4 into 7 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. Answer is 9. Directly by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer. A power 4k plus 1 power n, unit digit is a. So 28 power 13 power 10. 13 is 4 into 3 plus 1. Answer is 8. All these questions, I don't need to solve it. You can solve it on your own. You can solve it on your own. Next one, find the digits in the tens place of 5 into 2 power 50. 5 into 2 power 50, which is nothing but 5 into 2 into 2 power 49. 2 power 49. 5 into 2, 10, 0. These tens place is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power 49. That is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power 49. 2 power 49 is nothing but 4 into 12. 4 into 12 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. It is a. So digit in the tens place. Digit in the tens place of this is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power 49. 2 power 49 is 4 into 12 plus 1. Praveen, 4 into 12 plus 1. I hope this concept is clear. I hope this concept is clear. Right? Next one. Find the digits in the hundreds place of 5 square into 2 power 100. This can be written as 5 square into 2 square into 2 power 98. 2 power 98. Camera off. 5 square into 2 square. This will give you 2 zeros at the end. These hundreds place is nothing but the unit digit of 2 power 98. So these is nothing but 4 into 24 plus 2. A power 4k plus 2. It is 2 square. So answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. I hope it is clear. Hundreds place means last time 2 zeros will come. 2 zeros will come. Unit digit of 2 power 98 is 2 power 4 into 24 plus 2. A power 4k plus 2. Answer is a square. Like that, you can solve lot of these questions. Find the digits in the hundreds place of. Hundreds place means 100 means 2 zeros should be taken out. If I take 2 zeros, it is 5 square into 2 square. Remaining is 2 power 98, 33 power 99, 77 power 88, 88 power 66. This is 2 zeros. Find the unit digit of this number. Find the unit digit of this number. Find the unit digit of this number. 2 power 98 is 2 power 4 into 24 plus 2. So here it is 4. 3 power 99 is 4 into 24 plus 3. This is 7. 7 power 88 is 7 power 4k 7 power 4, which is 1. 8 power 66 is 4 into 16 plus 2. 8 square is 64, which is 4. 4 7s are 28, 8. 8 4s are 32. Unit digit for this question is 2. Why? Because 5 square into 2 square will give you 100. 100 means 2 zeros will come at the right. 2 zeros will come at the right. Unit digit 0, tens digit 0. So hundreds place it will be 2. Hundreds place it will be 2. I hope it is clear. Digits in the hundreds place is take 100 out. Take 100 out. Idea clear? Next one. From here onwards, I will take the session number 2, that is tomorrow. Unit digit session 2, which will cover it up tomorrow. I hope all these concepts are clear to you. What are the important concepts that we discussed? A power 4k plus 1, a power 4k plus 2, which is a square. A power 4k plus 3, which is a power 3. A power 4k, which is a power 4. Similarly here, a power 4k plus 1 power n, which is a power 4k plus 2 power n, which is a power 4. A power 4k plus 3 power n. If n is odd, it is a cube. If n is even, it is a power 4k, which is nothing but a power 4. What is the third concept we discussed? A power b is greater than b power a when a is less than b and a comma b greater than 3. What is the first concept we discussed? Generic cyclicity. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of a number, of the unit digit of any number is 4. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. The entire class we did only the unit digit of a number. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. First we did it for singular powers. Then we did it for power to the powers. Then we did a concept of a power b greater than b power a. This video will be made private as soon as the class is over, right? And only the enrolled students can access the class within 24 hours after the class is over. Tomorrow we will do unit digit session 2. Unit digit session 2.